Hey everybody, Thomas here. I just thought I'd do a quick video. I'm going to change the oil on my Audi Q5. It's got the V6 3.2 liter engine. I know there's probably not many videos out on that. This is a 2011, again, Audi Q5 with the V6 3.2 liter engine. Here's your cast of characters. The specs say 6.6 liters of oil, which is probably 6 quarts. If you're still within your warranty, make sure the oil you get is the VW spec VW 502. It's the 0W40 for Mobile One. I did not get that brand. I just got the full synthetic. This should be fine. My vehicle's out of warranty. I'm not worried about it. So we've got 6.6, well, 7 quarts of oil filter, T20 Torx to remove the lower panel. The 6mm hex should be for the oil plug, and this is to get the oil filter cap off. Some gloves, safety glasses, etc. Here in the engine bay, you got your oil filler cap, and over here is where the oil filter goes. This little cover just pulls right off. Toss that aside, reveals the cap, and that's about it for the top side of the engine. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go underneath and undo the Torx drives, and then there's 2 quick fasteners. Not exactly sure what they are, but just a big flathead and about a half a turn, and those come loose. There's I think 7 of those and maybe 4 T20s. I will show you after I'm done. So I got the cover off. Looks like there are 9 places for these screws right here. Just a flathead to get them open. And there's 9 places for the Torx screws, although I only had 5. I assume there were probably more to begin with, but I had 5. This is the oil pan. Drain plug is right here. Little Torx wrench or hex wrench. Oil plug. While the oil is draining down below, I'm going to go ahead and open up my refill cap, and I'm going to remove this. Let's see if it's a little bit too tight. So we'll get that off. You can see this all comes out as one piece. Make sure you have some paper towels to catch any oil drips. Also, there's a little notch right there. I don't know if you can see it, and it catches right here. You have to kind of force it past that, and then it'll unscrew. The replacement oil filter comes with a couple of O-rings, some little tiny instructions. Inside of here, there's an O-ring that you can access pull out with some needle nose pliers. You can see this is a replacement O-ring. Here's this little tab right there. That will be sticking up inside of here. So when you put this O-ring back in, make sure that tab is up. Need a better pair of needle nose pliers, not ones that I've used for something else. There you go. Old O-ring. Some oil on it. There's a new O-ring. Make sure the tab is up. That seats down nice. This should just snap into place. This should be an O-ring to replace on the engine side. The little instructions don't show you that. So 0.6 is going to be a bit of a challenge, but 1 quart is just a little bit less than a liter. So this is 1,000 milliliters. So 6/10 of that should be 600 milliliters. So I'll try to get it right around this 400 mark. Once you've completed the oil change, you need to reset your computer. So put your key in the ignition, leave your foot off the brake, push it to get the accessories on. Go over to car, scroll down using your scroll wheel to service interval display, push the button. Oil change due, scroll down, reset oil change interval, scroll up to yes, hit yes. Your interval has been reset. You are finished.